The 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome is finally here, and it is unlike anything we've seen before. BMW has stepped into the world of high-end motorhomes, and they've done it with class, style, and incredible engineering. This motorhome brings together BMW's well-known luxury design, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance, all in one amazing home on wheels. Let's take a full tour of this masterpiece from the front. The 2026 BMW motorhome looks bold, modern, and clean. The signature BMW kidney grille proudly sits at the center, surrounded by sleek LED headlights that give it a premium look. The metallic paint finish shines beautifully under the showroom lights, making the motorhome stand out immediately. Moving to the side, the smooth, flowing design gives the motorhome a very elegant shape. Large panoramic windows run along the side walls, letting plenty of natural light inside and making the space feel open and bright. At the back, BMW has kept things simple but classy. Slim LED taillights, chrome accents, and a clean rear design make the motorhome look stylish from every angle. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW Luxury Motorhome is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering an impressive 500 horsepower. Despite its size, the motorhome offers smooth handling, fast acceleration, and great stability on highways. BMW's advanced suspension system makes every ride comfortable. Step inside, and you instantly feel like you've entered a luxury apartment on wheels. BMW has designed the interior to be modern, comfortable, and functional. The living area is spacious, featuring soft leather seating, a cozy dining table, and warm wooden finishes. Ambient LED lights are perfectly placed to give the room a relaxing mood. There's also a large smart TV, built-in speakers, and smart home controls so you can manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment with a simple touch. The panoramic side windows let you enjoy beautiful views during the day and create a cozy atmosphere at night. It truly feels like a five-star lounge on wheels. Next, let's check out the bedroom. The BMW motorhome comes with a full-size luxury bed designed for comfort and relaxation. The soft premium mattress, high-quality bedding, and elegant wooden side panels make the room feel like a modern hotel suite. Hidden LED lights around the ceiling and floor create a warm, relaxing mood, perfect for winding down after a long day of travel. There's also a spacious wardrobe, extra storage, and side windows that bring in plenty of natural light. This is the kind of bedroom where you can wake up to beautiful views every morning, whether you're parked in the mountains or by the beach. One of the most interesting features of this BMW motorhome is the driver cabin. Unlike traditional motorhomes, the cabin is slightly separated from the main living area, giving it a more private, cockpit-like feel. The driver's area features a BMW leather steering wheel, a fully digital dashboard, and high-tech driving assistance systems. The premium leather seats are fully adjustable, heated and ventilated, ensuring comfort on long drives. Large panoramic glass panels give you a clear view of the road, while the advanced BMW iDrive system integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings all in one place. Driving this motorhome doesn't feel like driving a truck. It feels like driving a luxury BMW car. With all this luxury, power, and technology, the 2026 BMW motorhome comes at a premium price. The starting price is around $420,000, and depending on customization options, it can go up to $500,000. BMW is currently showcasing this model in select showrooms across the USA, and early buyers are already lining up to book theirs.